In this video, friends, we'll discuss about some of the important points or some of the additional points which are very important with respect to our NEET examination is concerned. Okay, so there are different types of algae we have studied. Okay, within that, lichens are also an important group of algae, where algae is found associated with fungi. This point we've already discussed. Please keep this in mind. It is always found associated with fungi. There are some algae which can be found on the hairs of the sloth bear also. Okay, so this is also another important type. Then coming to the different types of algae depending upon their cellularity. First one is algae. Volvox is an example for colonial algae. Always algae which is present in the colonies, hence it is called as best example for colonial algae. Chlorella, it is a best example for unicellular algae. Okay, whereas for filamentous algae, Spirogera and Eleutheryx. Spirogera and Eleutheryx are the best example for filamentous algae. Okay, this is an important point. Along with this, I need to tell few more points. That is, we have already discussed about reproduction in algae, right? Reproduction in algae. So algae have three different types of reproduction. One is vegetative, another one is asexual, and another one is sexual type of reproduction. Usually within this we have studied about fragmentation, right? Another asexual reproduction, there are two types of spores. One is zoospores which can swim, another one is aplanospores which cannot swim, means which do not have flagella. Then next one is sexual reproduction. Under sexual reproduction there are two types. One is isogamy, anisogamy, and oogamy, right? Under isogamy, it is a type of sexual reproduction where there is a fusion between the same type of gametes, size same, they both have flagella, their size is also same, their cytoplasm content is also same. So in every aspect they both are same, hence it is called as a isogamy. Iso is similar, gamy is fusion. Another one is anisogamy. It is a type of reproduction where there will be a fusion between two dissimilar gametes. See here, these two are dissimilar. They are not having flagella. One is not having flagella, another is having flagella. Hence, the fusion between the two dissimilar type of gametes are called as anisogamy, and another one is called as oogamy. Oogamy is a type of reproduction where always male gamete is smaller and it is having flagella. Female gamete is larger and it is not having flagella. This is the rule. Male will be always like this, female will be always like this. Such type of fusion is called as oogamous type of reproduction. So this is about the reproduction we have studied. See here, Edurina, it is a type of colonial algae which is a best example for anisogamous type of reproduction, anisogamous type of sexual reproduction. Anisogamy, which is having one male gamete, or one gamete is one type and another male gamete is of another type. Hence, fusion between the two dissimilar type of gametes is called as anisogamy. Next one is these two, Eleutheryx and Spirogera, as an example for isogamous type of reproduction. Isogamy is both the gametes are same. Coming to the Eleutheryx, within the Eleutheryx there will be two gametes which are same, both are having flagella. Very important. The two gametes which are same, which are having both having flagella. Here two gametes are same, both are not having flagella. Spirogera, no flagella. Eleutheryx, having flagella. Both are the example of isogamous type of sexual reproduction. Okay. Then next one is Volvox is an example for oogamous type of sexual reproduction. Oogamy, male gamete is always smaller, female gamete is always larger. Male gamete is having flagella, female gamete is not having flagella. Then we have already discussed about some of the economic importance of algae. Within that we have discussed about chlorella. Chlorella is the source of plant protein, and also it is from this algae there is antibiotic called as ampullin which is extracted from, or chlorellin which is extracted from this chlorella. Along with this, many brown algae are consumed as a food. Then along with this, very important point is brown algae, they have external surrounding called as algin. Brown algae, they have gelatinous coating called as algin. So this algin having an hydrocolloid substances, means which can retain more amount of water, which are used in horticulture industries. And also carrageen, it is also an hydrocolloid. Hydrocolloid is nothing but a water holding substances which is present in red algae. So carrageen, it is a water holding substance or hydrocolloid present in red algae. Next one is algin, which is water holding substance which is present in brown algae. These two are very important points. Please keep in mind. Okay, thank you.